You read this right. This 1 hour per week meal prep breakfast saved my marriage and my health. Oh, okay. Full disclosure, my marriage was not and is not on the rocks, right? Um, but let me tell you, having breakfast like this quiche ready to go for the entire week is not only a game changer for saving time, but it provides, of course, the nutrients and energy that my body needs, and hopefully yours as well when you see our clip for today. So it gives you time for those date nights, right? It gives you back that time for date nights, family time, and of course, just like taking a breath. So let's talk about how meal prepping can rescue your mornings and help you beat the busy trap, right? Let's be real. Mornings are chaotic for so many of us. Between work, kids, and just to remember where we left our keys, breakfast can end up being coffee and wishful thinking, right? But batching chores like meal prepping breakfast can free up so much time and mental energy. And the quiche I'm talking about for today, oh, I'm calling this my time saving superhero because it only took me 1 hour, just like the YouTuber content creator said. And I freed up all of my mornings, right, to actually set my alarm a little bit later um, for this week, etc. So excited about that. So let's dive right in. I want to give a shout out to Ethan Paff for his high protein masterpiece. It's loaded with flavor. It is delicious. When I say it's delicious, I mean exactly that. It is phenomenal. It's full of flavor, super easy to prep, and keeps me full until lunch, right? It is high protein. So if you are working on a wellness or weight loss goals, this is a game changer. All right. So without further ado, here is our clip from our dear
Simple
friend.
quiche recipe gives me 1 week worth of breakfast in less than an hour, and it satisfies all of my protein needs. It's savory, cheesy, and a breeze to clean up, and only takes a few ingredients, including one that might surprise you.
So here's my batching challenge for you. Try batching or meal prepping one meal this week. It could be your breakfast, like this breakfast quiche. It could be your lunches, it could be your snacks. If you're ambitious enough to meal prep your dinners, go for it. I am excited for you. The key is you're going to notice how much brain power you save as well as time and energy. That's incredible. And what you're going to do is you're going to transfer that brain power and that energy into the things that you want to do, right? Nutrition, health, wellness, those types of things, they are we need those, right? We need those in order to survive, right? They're necessities. When it comes to your wants, I hope you've been taking time to journal or start journaling, and some of those wants will come to into fruition because now you'll have the brain power and time to do them. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and your week ahead.